Stone professionals, step into the next generation of stone innovation. Meet the new Master of Stone website, your perfect go-to for expert know-how, with tools, tutorials, and videos built to sharpen your edge, fuel your growth, and keep you updated with the industry's latest advancements and best practices. Here's why you don't want to miss it. 1. Professional guidelines. Get instant access to a rich library of videos, guides, and best practices for fabricating and installing Caesarstone surfaces. Learn faster, work smarter, sharpen your edge. 2. Health and safety. Stay safe with step-by-step guidelines, videos, and tools to help you mitigate the risks associated with silica dust exposure and support you and your team in maintaining a safe and healthy workspace. 3. Training Center. Quick practical courses to boost you and your team, from smart work tips to safety know-how, keeping you skilled, confident, and ready. Learn anytime, anywhere. A world of knowledge at your fingertips. Start exploring today. Let's master it, sharpen it, elevate it. Caesarstone, Master of Stone. Start exploring today.